Namaskar, this is Triman Sehgal. I work for these children of God whom we call animals. Now, I'm a mother and father to these children. I'm working selflessly with love for these children of God. And I'm proud to be their mother and father who are these children who are pure at heart. Now, this is our beloved Guruji, Shri B.K. Sayangar. And this is our home gate, and that's the gate where we have given on rent. Now, this green space we have created since the lockdown because there was a big banyan tree out here which was cut during the road expansion or something, which was not required at all. But then because people were creating a lot of nuisance, drinking and throwing bottle, illegal parking and misbehaving, so we created a green space during lockdown, so which will give healing, which will give relief to these children of God. And indirectly it happens to humans, it's okay, but it is only for these children of God because they have suffered so much. Who causes the climate change? Who is destroying Mother Earth? It is we humans, we are destroying, we are polluting. Now this area, you see, we have created, but the BMC people will never clean this area. I have spent money and I myself take a broom and I clean. You see, last I cleaned this place, now again it is dirty. You see, this area again I will clean. I don't mind because we have been nurtured. I'm a Sikhni. We have been nurtured to work. We have seen our grandparents work. My grandmother used to, even though she came from a royal family, she did everything for my grandfather, all by herself. So, and my mother, my parents, my father used to cook when my mother used to go for work. So we have seen this. We have been nurtured with no discrimination, be it a girl or boy. Huh? And this person, they'll come and do illegal parking out here, causing harassment. Huh? They'll spit on my face, stand naked, so that to traumatize. And this camera, which is there, this camera, someone has destroyed. They have poisoned my children. If I give a complaint, they have poisoned my children. So, the Supreme Court talks about this dog bite and everything. But there's no dog bite. Actually, this is just to create nuisance, cause harm to these children. It is only because of cruelty, crime and corruption that this happens. These children are protectors. These children are protectors. They are pure at heart. They don't cause any harm. It is we humans, we are responsible for corruption, crime, cruelty and addiction. And we have faced it all. And the neighbors, tenants and all these people, servants taking advantage of our goodness and simplicity have mentally harassed us, traumatized us. Now you see, with some excuse they will stand here. This green space is for these children and for those working for these children, selflessly with love. I, as a mother and father of these children of God, I demand justice because we humans have caused all this corruption, destruction of Mother Earth. I demand justice for these children as a mother and a father. They are not responsible for crime. They are not responsible for corruption, pollution and cruelty. Who has terrorized our family? It is humans. Our home, everything is dedicated to these children of God. A Gurdwara in the name of these children, my grandparents, my parents, my teachers and all my loved ones. And those who work selflessly with love will come and volunteer. Just to be an example for others, I have adopted many community animals as my children. They are my children. I am their mother, I am their father. I do the feeding in this locality, take care of the welfare, the first aid. Unfortunately, in the name of these children, people have been taking tenders, not helpline and all, not doing the giving proper treatment. There's a lot of corruption. I first demand eradicate the corruption. Eradicate corruption, crime, cruelty, addiction. In different countries like Finland, Denmark and all, Netherlands and all, there is education, how we need to treat. We share Mother Earth with all life in nature. We don't own it. Who is polluting Mother Earth? Who is causing noise pollution, water pollution, air pollution? Humans are causing, not these children. When I used to go late in the night for feeding, these children, no one could dare to come close to me because these children used to protect me. Now also, this camera is of no use, someone has destroyed it. You know, thinking, okay, your mother is there, she's a senior citizen, rather they have mentally harassed and destroyed my brother's life. There's so much, and now they are mentally harassing me so that, you know, to make a person go nuts. And some unknown person telling me that there's so much problem, you come and take Iyengar yoga at our place and all. You just imagine people asking us to leave our own home. My mother, my grandparents, and my parents and myself, I'm highly educated. I'm doing this work with the grace of Lord Krishna. So I will leave everything. My home, everything belongs to these children of God who are pure at heart. And we belong to our grandparents and all. Everything is dedicated. Because of them, we are alive. For me, my grandmother is a holy scripture. She is in my heart. My grandparents. I demand justice. Enough now.